in last video we have done our key vault configuration. So in this section we are going to redeploy the application in our app services. So for that, first we have to open our app service. We have to configure the key vault URL here. So for that, open the settings tab. Under that we have environment variable. On that app settings we need to add one tag here. So like this we have to add our name, Azure Key Vault URL and the URL exact URL and then click apply. And this deployment slot setting, it should be unchecked, then click apply. So this will restart our app. Click apply. Save changes. Your app may restart if you are updating the app settings. Yes, confirm. Successfully updated app settings. Now we need to publish our application in our project. Then we need to zip the files, all files here. We need to make it as a zip file. Now within our Azure portal in app service we have to select our Azure app, and on within that we have to select deployment center. Then we need to deploy the project here as a zip file. We are going to publish that as a zip file. So for that we need to select this publish files and we have to choose the zip file that we published in our local. This is the recent one. Then click save. Some errors happened here. I think I uploaded wrong file first. Now it's fully uploaded. Status also running now. And if I check the health, it's also working. I'm checking the products endpoint which is in production. So that also working now. So it's great. Now we have deployed our application. So fully configured with key valid. There is no hard coded values in our app settings or anywhere.